Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea and I've got an unboxing today. Start with this card. Oops. I need a letter opener. I haven't got one. Oh, a lovely card. So cute. Andrew, thanks so much for swapping with me. I really hope you like it and your little gifts. Thank you for being an amazing team member and friend, love Anne. Oh, that's so cute. I love my little row of cards. I ought to do an office and craft room display tour one day, so you can see where I keep all my stuff, because I do love it. This washi tape, this tape's gorgeous. Look how thick it is, and it feels like ribbon. Lovely. Oh, I thought she'd use it to make the tissue. Looks stripy, but the tissue is stripy. But you just love tissue. I try to save. I hate throwing things away. I love recycling packaging and things. So I try to be as careful as I can when I'm unwrapping things, but sometimes it's just not possible, is it? Now our theme was floral, I think. Or was it just an anything? I think it might have been anything goes with Anne, and it was floral for the one I did with Sue, but I did Anne and Sue both the same. Oh, look at these little notepads, little sticky tab notepads with got cats on. They are super cute. Look at those. They're so cute. Oh, I love the colours. Oh, they're cute. They're just so cute. I love those. And I'm always marking, because I do a lot of reading of actual books. I'm always page marking and stuff, so especially like reference books, textbooks and stuff. So they're always coming in handy, those sort of things. So thank you for those, and they're gorgeous. This lovely washi tape. I wonder where she got it from. I'm sure it'll be in a haul somewhere. And the tissue as well. It's lovely. I tend to get plain tissue and then I stamp it for what I want to use it for, to customise it. Oh, stamp set. Oh, I haven't got one with numbers in. Enjoy your perfect life. Day schedule, perfect day. You and me. At camera photo shoot. Date and location. That was... Hey, that's really good. That's great for scrapbooking. I do a lot of scrapbooking nowadays. So thanks for that. That's going to get really well used. Not only do I do scrapbooking, but I've started making scrapbooks for the people as well, so that's really going to get used. The Love cutting die. Do you know, I nearly bought myself this and I didn't. I think I had a really strict budget from the Works. I didn't even realise they were that big, those dies from the Works. It's made me look at them in a different light, because I've got a few bits and bobs from the Works. Yeah, that's great. It's a really generous gift as well. And then it looks here like it's got the paper stack. Inspiring boho. I saw this one somewhere. Was this at the Works that I saw this? But I saw it somewhere and I loved it, and I never bought it because, you know, I love this one. And I didn't buy it for a reason. I think it was, again, I'd gone over budget. Because I do try, oh gosh, that's beautiful. I do try and keep myself, that's gorgeous. There's tie-dye effects and they're beautiful. I do try and keep myself inside a budget when I'm shopping. And I am quite good at it. I'm quite good at dream catchers. Oh, I like that, that's beautiful. Yeah, loving those. Definitely going to get well used, they are. Yeah, I'm quite good at staying in a budget. And so I do tend to put in everything that I want, and then I take out things until I'm at my budget. That's why I like online shopping. So I'm more likely to do that online shopping than I am to do that in a shop. Right, so here's the pocket letter. If you haven't seen a pocket letter before, I have had one before. It's just a way of sort of sending little crafty gifts to a friend, but putting them into little pockets. Funnily enough, I made little envelopes for all of mine as well. So we've kind of done the same thing without realising it. And she has gone with the floral theme, definitely, for the pocket letter. And it doesn't look like she's replicated anything that I've done, so that's handy. So you just fill each pocket with stuff, basically. There's a lovely tassel. Some lovely ribbons on here. And the little tassel. That tassel, it looks like it's made of Share What You Love paper. It is. It's gorgeous. So in the first one then, sending you crafty hugs. There's a little butterfly on there. Oh wow. I'm excited about this. I'll tell you why in a minute. And inside this one are vellum, vellum and heat embossed sentiments. I'm laughing because I always call, well, I've started to call Anne Laminator Lil because she uses a laminator all the time. She puts that laminator to some good use. But I always used to call her the queen of the vellum because she does such lovely things with vellum. And she kind of gave me the guts, if you like, to have a go at using vellum and embossing and doing more embossing. That's gorgeous. Is that actually embossed? I don't know if they're embossed or foiled. I think they're foiled. I don't know, but they're gorgeous. There's some black ones. I'd definitely be using these. You're lovely. Eat cake. I don't need to be told to do that. With love, you're a star. I think these ones are just inked. And those ones are embossed. Happy days. I don't know, they're foiled, I think. I wonder if she's used sticker. It's interesting. I don't know what she's done to do that, but it's really great. Good times, yay, and let's celebrate. Do you know, that's a great idea to use vellum like that, because you can get so many more into a packet than you could if it was paper as well. So that's lovely. Fabulous. Put that one back in there. Then this one, there's another little envelope here. It's so funny that I chose to do little envelopes as well. And this one, what's it got in it? Let's have a little pull of what's in there. This one looks like it's got little gift tags in there. My sausage fingers can't get them out. Oh, I know what these are. I love these when I saw Anne use them on a project. And I haven't got this die. They're die cuts, but they're little bag toppers, if you like, to go over the tops of little bags. So all you need is like just a little, if you just had a plain yellow or green or just even a cellophane bag. And I haven't got this die, so they're fabulous. I have looked for it actually and I couldn't find it anywhere, so ignore my phone. They're beautiful, so I would definitely use those. And will know that I make a lot of little bags. I make and use bags all the time for little gifts and things. And then there's a little set of clips and paper clips. I think these are Stampin' Up paper clips, and I like these ones are going to come in really handy because they're like Google Maps sort of positioning pins. The little bird. Oh, they'll be cute for Christmas, won't they? Little robins. Little bows. They're fabulous, but they will be great for a project I'm working on at the minute. You'll see it. You'll see it very soon. But yeah, they're great for that. Oops, I put them in the wrong place. Oh, it doesn't matter. I'll sort them out in a minute. Yeah, so they're great. They'll definitely get used. Well, everything will get used anyway, because we're crafters. We use everything, don't we? Oh, I love the way she's just stuck on these gorgeous, they feel like they've been laminated images. And in here, there's, this card's really thick. It's lovely. Oh, in here there's some little tiny doilies. There's some glittery ones, and there's some just patterned ones. I've started using things like this a lot more. You'll see on a recent project I've used something like this. So that will be very useful. Thank you very much. I think, oh, it's been like decoupage, so it's like double layered. And the top one's nice and the bottom one's more flat and that one's more relief. It's lovely. There's a, oh, what a gorgeous turquoise colour that is. Sequins. And another little envelope. I'd use the envelopes even if they had nothing in them. Oh, this has got locks and keys. Oh, they're so cute. I will definitely use them. I haven't got a key die at all. So they're really cute little die cuts. Love those. I love this paper. It's so thick. It's not paper, it's cardstock. It's beautiful. And again, we've got some more of these little sunflowers, just decorating everything. And butterflies. I don't know if she's used stickers or if she's laminated and then glittered things herself. Handmade, natural, 100% natural. It's beautiful. The paper is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, this is to make tassels with, I think. So this is the tassel. She must have the tassel cutter, and then you roll these up and it makes the tassel. And she's cut them from a foiled paper, so it'll make gorgeous little tassels. It's beautiful. Thank you so much for those. And I looked, in fact, I think I've got a tassel cutter on my wish list, a small and a big one. But I haven't got around to buying them yet. Again, I'm strict budgeter. I also have a strict wish list and things go up and down it. There's more little beautiful butterflies. Gorgeous sequins. Look at those. And those, it's like a little shaker pouch. I'll be able to use that on a shaker card as it is. I'll be able to just pop it in. And I won't have to mess about doing it all myself. So that's great. And then in here there's some tags. Oh, little die cuts and tags. Little sentiments. Let's get together. Oh, I love that one. Little pile of books. Little book. Smile, sun-kissed. Never say never. Oh, they're great. They'll definitely get used. Again, that pile of books. I know exactly what that's going on to. Just love them. Just excuse me, I'll take this phone call. So in this next one, there's some candy dots, which are really cute. I love candy dots. I love them because I love brads, and I think they look like brads without the faff. Teapots. I'm a teapot and tea fanatic. These are such cute. Look at those little die cuts. Oh, wow. I will definitely be using those because like I say, I'm a teapot and tea fanatic, so definitely not wasted on me. I love the way she's done her envelopes as well. I wonder if she used a die cut for those, or if, because they're really good. I mean a die for those. I did mine on the envelope punch board, as you will see when I share how I made it. Oops. Gosh, I love these Absolutely love these papers. I'm going to find out where she got them from. I'm hoping that she does a video on how she made this so I can see. Oh, gorgeous butterflies. I mean, you can never have too many butterflies, can you? They're just beautiful. Love those. And the jars. They're just gorgeous. They have like, these jars have got like a scored bit. Do they stand up? I don't know why. They've got like a scored bit there. I'll have to investigate. They're beautiful. I looked inside there, didn't I? Yeah, that was... I did look inside there, didn't I? Was it the teapots? Oh no, that was the butterflies. Fabulous. And creating is caring, it definitely is. And again, here we go. I've got in here. Oh, little sentiments, little motivational things. Let the good times roll. This is life. Bon voyage. Way to go. These will be great for, you got this. And then just some little, she's given me some ideas now. Little floral ones. They're just gorgeous. So yeah, the whole thing I'm just really, really grateful for, and it's just lovely, and it's just what I think. Sometimes I see people and I'm like, oh, they must have spent an absolute fortune on that, because they've got all sorts stashed in them, and it's very different to mine as well, which is I like that it's all handmade, and don't get me wrong, if each pocket had a Cartier watch in, I'd love it as well. But I love that it's all handmade, and I love that it's all stuff I can use, and I love that it's different to mine. So mine's going to be not going to be the same, because I thought, oh no, I hope we don't all clash, you know, with our bits and bobs. And then this gorgeous papers. And because I'm scrapbooking, I'm using lots more papers now than I used to. So I'm just really happy with that, and I'm really grateful for it. So thank you very much, Anne, and I hope that it won't be long until mine is with you and I can show mine. Oops, knocked one of the butterflies off.